That awkward moment when you know UPS is coming today, but you don't know if you should wait until 32 o'clock for them to drop your parts off, or just go do your thing and then come back and hope it's there and they didn't just put it back on the truck. These are big decisions for us car guys. I know, I'm gonna drive myself nuts sitting here. We're gonna go. The first person who goes to my most recent Instagram post, likes the post, and guesses correctly what my next car part is I'm getting in the, what? Oh, oh, don't tell me. We just had salsa explode? Oh, that's disgusting.
It smells bad.
Anyways, the person who goes to my Instagram, likes the most recent post, and guesses what car part I am getting next. The thing I'm getting delivered today, the first person who guesses that gets a free jet tag. Oh, that smells really bad. That's why it smelled like feet in here yesterday. I thought it was the tires. Oh, ho, ho. You have the key, yeah?
Yep.
Oh, that's right. Something happened yesterday with the Jeep. I'm not sure what happened. I don't know why it happened. We've got something to diagnose today because the brake, it's like, it almost feels like one of the pads fell out or something. There's a really weird noise. I'm actually gonna have Victoria get out of the car and show you guys. It's like, it's weird. Okay, never mind. You guys can't hear anything. It makes a noise when you start driving, but like going backwards, there's like a grinding. Hello. There's like a feeling of this grinding, like as I'm going back in reverse, like crunch, crunch,
well, like right there,
crunch,
it's like, it's jumping.
Crunch. It's like jumping. I don't know what happened, but okay. Did you sit in this car last? Because I'm definitely in a high chair right now. If you pay attention, what is my man's doing? Hello? If you pay attention, you can hear a noise that sounds really terrible. It's not good. Something is really wrong with these brakes. I'm kind of sketched.
Like the back driver's side, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Something's really wrong with these brakes, so we need to get that diagnosed today. I'm actually really thankful we didn't go drifting today, because if I was towing with this thing with a giant trailer behind it, an extra 4,000 or 5,000 pounds behind me, I'm not sure how this car would stop. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but like, we're coming to a stop, and it just sounds like death. That's what death sounds like. Ah! Oh, grindy, grindy, grindy. Oh my God, here we go. You guys hear that? You guys hear that? That sounds not good. Come to a stop real quick. Ah, it's not good. We're gonna fix that.
A few moments later.
2 seconds later, I figured it out. I don't know how that happened, but that is no bueno, my dudes. Did you like that?
How the?
Woo!
You lost a bolt.
I know.
That's so bad.
I know. I don't know how it happened.
Easy fix.
All right, we got it. Easy fix today, boys. It's been a little while since I've been to TJ's shop. Today, I'm not gonna show it, but
You can show it, baby.
TJ, no, dude. TJ's joining the Big Wang Gang again.
Aggressive is my name.
It's about time, dude. Evan has been working on his E36 turbo build, which is
To mount the turbo today.
so stoked. Little baby turbo over here that's about as big as my whole head. And then lots of other things going on, except for Dustin's thing.
Nice.
I'm so stoked that I actually know what's going on with this car. So all I have to do really is take this wheel off and figure out what in the hell caused this to fall off. I've probably driven 3,000 or 4,000 miles on these brakes, and they've been 100% okay until a split second yesterday. I torqued everything to spec. I'm not sure what happened, but I'm gonna figure it out today, and I'm gonna make sure all the bolts are there and stuff like that. I might have lost a bolt. If that happened, worst case scenario, I gotta go to the parts store. So let's get this off, let's get it fixed. Hey. Oh man, it's not good. So we lost a bolt down here, and it's been grinding on the top of this, as you can see. It's okay, it's not taking away, it's not ruining the brake at all, but it's been kind of grinding away at the top of this rotor. We've actually started to take away from this right here, and it started to grind that down a little bit, but it's fine. All I need to do is get another bolt. Let me show you what. There's a bolt down here, right about here. We're missing a bolt right there. I don't know, it must have fallen off on the highway or something like that, but I need another one. This is what I need, right here. We might have to modify this because it's pretty long, but this is Beckerman's old flywheel bolt. And it's the exact same thread as the guy, this little guy right here, which is the OEM. And it's also the same, the head is the exact same size and everything. So I'm just gonna see if the thread's in real quick. Oh, baby.
Oh, babe. Bolt.
It fits. This bolt is perfect, thankfully, but I do need to cut it probably about 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch because it sticks out a ton. So I'm gonna stick it in the vise real quick. I'm gonna have some fun. Nice and sideways, baby. All right, I think we got it. Let's give this a shot. It's in there. It's threading in, boys. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna get some thread lock this time around for sure. But I'm so stoked. It worked, baby. Looks like our ghetto little bolt did the job. Let's put some sticky sauce on it. And let's get back to normal driving. Let's get some nice squirty juice on it. Let's get this covered in, oh, that's a nice, that's a yummy, oh, that's a nice, you just nice, give it a nice rub. Give it a nice rub down right there. It's gonna be so good, oh my God. Puts it right in there and it's never gonna come out. All right, we're fully torqued, ready to go. Give it a nice test. Ah, that looks and feels much better. I am so sorry for everyone in the hunt quarters right now. Oh! All right, let's make sure I don't hear any noises. Brakes functioning good. Let's give it a nice, solid, fat yeet. We've got normal brakes again, boys.
So much better. That was so good. It's such a beast. It looks so cool.
That was like half try because I have tires in the back that I didn't want to puncture my head whenever I fully slammed on the brakes. Got functioning brakes again. We got stuff from UPS at home though. I'm trying to get home and see what's in that box.
And our stuff is almost done at the printer.
Oh, yeah, we just got amazing news. Our season 2 stuff is already done being printed, so we were originally gonna drop February 1st, but we might drop earlier now. So you best start saving up. Now that we're home, it's time to clean out the drift bus so that we can go ahead and get this thing filled with some merch. Now that we're cleared, let's go pick up some season 2. I'm so excited to show you. Should we show them the designs early? Do you guys? All right. We'll give you some sneak peeks. It's okay. It's okay. I'm fine. We found a bro, guys.
Why didn't he rev back?
We were just like racing with each other and it was great, but he didn't rev back at me. And his windows are very dark. I missed that actually. Let me show you guys how much clothing we have this time and just how tightly packed it is in this wagon. Please don't fall out. Oh my God, dude. It is packed to the brim. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek. By the way, we're still waiting on UPS to show up. First off, let's go ahead and introduce them to, oh, that is such good quality. This season, we all about that new logo. My personal favorite. You ready for this? For my big boys, I got you some XX XLs this time around. Clutch, are you trying to reveal season 2 right now with me? Here comes my personal favorite part. Got that 53 and the underdog, because guess what? We are underdogs. The underdogs always start off the lowest in the chain, but they rise up. And they impress people when nobody thought they could. Last thing I'm gonna show you. The piece de la resistance. Y'all ain't even ready for this. Boy, we got that 5-3 out here in Japanese, son. I figured it would be really sick, this drop, to go along with my Japanese roots. Japanese cars are my absolute favorite. JDM culture has been a huge part of my life since I was a kid. So we're going with the Japanese. Clutch, will you stop screaming at me, dude? We're going with the Japanese feel. Going with Japanese vibes this time around, and I'm stoked about that. We've also got dad hats coming this time, and a couple other surprises, and obviously more joggers, since that's kind of what we wanted to start. Oh my god. He literally can't stand the fact that I'm talking right now and not paying attention to him. Dude, you're crazy. You guys don't know anything about our company 5-3. Actually, I think Clutch wants to explain it to you. Yeah, guys, it's a company that mommy and daddy started, and they donate 10% of all their sales to help depression and anxiety and self-harm. They just love people, and they love me, and I love chewing on daddy's finger. Thanks, bud. You did so good. You did so good. I can't believe you.
2 hours later.
UPS is finally here, and it's 32 o'clock. False alarm. Victoria ordered something on Amazon.
3:28 a.m.
Wait, finally! I'm sitting here editing and playing RuneScape, and it's finally here. It's right outside. Let's go. Thank you. Yeah, thanks, dude. We got it. I am about to, I want to unbox it for myself. I can't show you guys, obviously, because I need you guys to guess. Soon, this next week, you will see what the next clutch. Why? You're going so nuts today. All right. I will unbox it, just so you can see my reaction.
Jerky.
Okay. Here we go. Well, guys, see you soon. Peace out and be victorious. Ha! I just did y'all dirty. Make sure you guys watch one of those 2 videos I got right in front of you, because guess what? I promise you, they're so good. You best not click on nobody else's channel. You gotta keep on watching. Get that session watch time up, you know what I mean?